In this video, we're going to be going over the gaming review on the new Bold N3. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a great day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have some games that we're going to be testing on here, but before that we're going to go over some of the specifications on this device just to show you what this device is capable of. Of course, we have the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 in here, which is pretty much like a mid-range processor. We also have 8 gigabytes of RAM. We have 256 gigabytes of internal storage, and we're going to be playing 3 different games on here. We have Call of Duty Mobile, we have Genshin Impact, and of course we have PUBG as well. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, but we're going to try the highest graphics on each of these games, or the highest possible graphics on each of these games, and see how all of these play on a $250 device. Our first game is going to be Call of Duty Mobile. We've downloaded the HD resource packs on here as well, so we're locked and loaded. Let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, first and foremost, let's go ahead and look at these graphics and these settings. So the graphics we're going to be set on for graphic quality is high, and our frame rate is going to be very high. So the highest settings possible on this. The display looks beautiful as well. I'm going to turn this brightness all the way up, but wow, this display looks really, really good. Again, one bottom firing speaker right here, but it's still pretty loud. So we're just going to go ahead and show you some gameplay on this, but everything just looks so good on here. And you guys are going to see in a second.
It's too close. Fight harder. Another killer drone. Ready for deployment. Enemy contact. Tango down.
Alright, so everything, as you guys see, is working well. The animations with the kill streaks look pretty decent too. Really no glitches or anything. And let's go ahead and try this last one right here. But as you guys can see, game played well. Really no issues with Call of Duty Mobile. Alright y'all, so next game we're going to test out is PUBG Mobile. Let's go ahead and get into this. Also for PUBG, we have the HD resource pack downloading, and I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so as far as our graphics go on PUBG Mobile, it looks like we're set by default to HD, and it looks like we can actually go up to HDR though, so that's pretty cool. We'll save right there, and then our frame rate we can go to high or even ultra. So let's go ahead and check this out and see how this looks. But before jumping, everything looks to be loaded in pretty decently. We're going to try to get into some battle right now. But hopefully this plays well. Even downloading that huge package for the HD resources, this phone is not hot at all. And it may be because this back is plastic and not glass or metal. But either way, didn't heat up or anything. So nice to see that for sure. Alright, we got a guy over there. Let's go ahead and get something first though. Everything's looking really decent though. These graphics look super good. Absolutely loving this display though. This 120 hertz looks great. Oh, okay. Nice. Alright, so first elimination. Oh, this dude is packed full of stuff. What the heck? Dude was looting. Oh, we got a dude over there. Nice, got another dude. Let's try something a little automatic. Cool. So 3 eliminations. Yeah, this game definitely plays perfectly. I'm having no heating issues so far. The graphics look good. Frame rate looks good. This is on the highest graphics too, so everything is looking great. The phone hasn't even heated up a little bit yet, so beautiful to see. Great working processor for gaming. Alright guys, so sadly after waiting about 20 minutes for this huge update, it looks like Genshin Impact is under maintenance right now. I do know the last time that I played it on lower graphical settings and 30 frames per second, and it played quite well. So this game is going to be playable on the Bold N3. I'm sorry I couldn't give you guys an example. I really don't feel like waiting a few days or tomorrow to go and do this, but it's definitely going to play on low graphical settings. You can compare it pretty much to like the Pixel 6a as far as like the graphics and the gameplay and stuff, but it will definitely work. Those other two games, in Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG, they worked perfectly with the Bold N3. The processor is about a mid-range processor. We got decent storage, 256 for the video games you want to download, so you can download a ton of different apps and games and stuff. And we have some decent RAM at 8 gigabytes. So decent gaming device, especially for the price tag at $250 currently. If you guys would like to pick this up, I'll leave a affiliate link in the description down below that actually helps out the channel if you do purchase this phone through that link. But yeah, hopefully you guys have a beautiful day. That was the gaming review on the Bold N3. Peace out, Tech Gang.